Hello everyone, so if you want to set up two WhatsApp accounts on your Realme C67, well, let's follow these easy steps. This option is perfect for keeping work, school and personal life separate. So open up your Play Store. Now in your search tab right here, first of all, let's search for WhatsApp. So choose your WhatsApp option, press install and wait until your WhatsApp gonna be installed. Alright, so now you can find it on your home screen. Here it is. Now let's go back to our Play Store and let's search for WhatsApp Business. Here it is, and press install as well. Alright, after we did it, now we can find both of our applications on our home screen, and basically that's it. From this point you can log in into two different applications separately and use different accounts. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.